If there's one thing that you should always know about yourself, no matter how tough the going gets, no matter how many times something tells you to give up, no matter what obstacles that you face endleleni, always remember that you are much stronger and you can get out of any situation okuyona at that moment. Nothing should stand in your way. Nobody should tell you otherwise. Nothing should ever make you believe ukuthi you are a quitter, or that you are not strong enough, or that you cannot get through it. Everything happens for a reason. Noma ngabe kunzima kangakanani, kodwa you will always find a way to get away and move on from it, because you are worth it. Because whatever that is within you will always get you out of any situation. As long as you believe ukuthi you can do it, nothing should hold you back. Nothing should make you believe ukuthi you are not worth it. Nothing should make you believe ukuthi it is too big for you. Nothing is ever too big for you, as long as you have it within yourself ukuthi you can get through it.